Okay, Soumya graph questions. Okay. What time did the car set off its journey?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Okay. 1800 hours. Okay. How fast did the car travel for the first 30 minutes?
50 km/h.
50 kilometer per hour. Okay. How long did the car travel at 120 kilometer per hour?
1 hour 30 minutes.
So it will be 20 minus 1830. So this will be
Yeah.
1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. Nice. The driver stopped for a snack along the route. At what time did this occur?
8 p.m.
8 p.m. From 8 to 8:30 p.m. he had stopped because the speed was 0 kilometer per hour. Okay, nice. How far did the car travel during the first half hour?
I am not sure about it, but I got the answer as 900 km/h.
Okay. See, one thing that you need to understand is, so for example, let us assume 900 kilometer per hour. Do you think a car can go at 900 kilometer per hour? Samay?
No, sir.
Yeah. The next time you sit in your car, look at the maximum speed. Yeah. So, so one thing is, whenever your answer, you are going in a car and your speed comes to me 900 kilometer per hour, there is something wrong with this answer. Samay, have you understood? So
Yes, sir.
this is called sanity check. Sanity check. So even if you are not aware of the exact answer, a car can't travel at 900 kilometer per hour. So let us look at this question again. How far? Because it is how far, it should be distance. Samay, understood?
Yes, sir.
So beta, how far did the car travel during the first half hour? So half hour is the time. This is the time. The time is half hour, and I'm given the speed also. The speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So Amazing, any doubt? So Amazing, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the answer would be 25 kilometers. Is it okay? So Amazing, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So again, this topic will come in physics again. So that is why you should be very good with the graphs. Unless and until you are good with the graphs, you won't survive long in physics. As a matter of fact, you won't survive in physics, you won't survive in, say, even in finance. Even if you take finance, you won't survive because finance में भी सारे के सारे graphs ही आएंगे. आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा. You won't be able to interpret the graphs. Okay, Soumya ji, how far did the car travel on the whole journey? How can I find this? Aishwarya ji, Sanvi ji, you can also reply.
So the whole journey was about
No,
three
so
hours. So then,
no, you just calculate all the distance. So oh, in the first half an hour, it was 50 kilometers an hour. So it divided by 2, which is 25. So then it traveled at 120 kilometers an hour for 1.5 hours. So that means 120 plus 60. So then it's 25 plus 120 plus 60, and then again for half an hour he travels at 100 kilometers an hour. So I divide that by 2, which is 50. So that's 25 plus 120 plus 60 plus 50.
Soumya, any doubt?
So it's 255 kilometers total.
Soumya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Soumya, can you repeat?
Sir, hello.
Yeah. Can you repeat what she had said? How should I find the total distance?
So you just calculate the distance. So first half an hour, the car went 50 kilometers per hour. So divided by 2, it comes 25 kilometer per hour. The 120 kilometer per hour, it becomes 60 kilometer per hour. Then you add. So 120. Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Then next.
And then it travels 100 kilometer per hour, so you divide that 2, which is 50 kilometer per hour. Then you add all of that.
Aishwarya ji, is it okay?
Yeah.
Chanu ji, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rudra,
हाँ
भाई सुन रहे हो या सो गए?
सुन रहा हूँ
समझ आया नहीं?
हाँ सर